Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna lube up this here garage door. We're gonna just go and begin by smashing some of the schmutz off of this. Just kind of get it a little bit cleaner. There's a lot of spider webs, cobwebs, dirt and dust. Check for varmints and stuff. So, easiest way to do this, we're gonna detach the door so that we could just do this baby by hand. Let's get off a little bit more of this. Oh, there's a lot of spider webs all over here. We'll come back down and clean this up better later, but all right. Now, we're going to take some of this. Whoosh. Amarr brand Super Lube, penetrating lubricant. So it'll penetrate by breaking free the corrosion, and then it'll leave some lube behind. And you can see here, I got my nice lube glove. I'm going to spray this baby here. I want to make sure that this moves. Go ahead and give it a little spray up there too, right on the cotter pin and that. You want to be able to have play in the garage door. So we're going to spray the top wheels. Get it up in that sleeve. You can see kind of spraying behind it too a little bit. On this door we got a hinge. That's right. We got this is our hinge. Spray that way, and then if you look at the top, there's a hole. Get some lube up in there. It would have been better if I still had the little straw, the lube straw that it comes with. And get the bottom wheels, and there's another hole. And get some lube in there. You're gonna spray all the hinges in the middle. Spray that shit diagonally. Let the lube get up on in there. A little bit here, and finally the left side of the door. Try to leave you some light. Get there, put a little happy lube, and that'll just be our little secret. If you see here, my tracks do not have any grease in them. I got an extension spring set up. We'll tune that up in a different video. But, looks like I might have got some lube on the camera. Okay. So, we have lubed. Whoop. So, basically, clean that up. That's better. Okay, so, tracks do not have any grease in them. Because as long as everything else on the door is lubed, that, and then if you had a torsion spring going over here, you could spray a little bit of lube on that. Looks like the coil springs. But, basically, check out how smooth it goes up. It's pretty quiet. Let's go ahead and lock that open. You can see it's pretty quiet now. So we're gonna go ahead and just walk it up and down once or twice. And we'll get the lube going on up in there. Boom. And those are all the places to spray. Thank you. End video.